Welcome Dream Bikes Hub. The Honda Transalp XL750 is a mid-weight adventure motorcycle that has garnered attention for its versatile capabilities and user-friendly design. Here's an in-depth look at its features, specifications, performance. Originally introduced in the 1980s, the Honda Transalp line has been reimagined for modern riders. The XL750 model draws on the legacy of its predecessors while incorporating advanced technology and design. The Transalp is built to handle a variety of terrains, from urban roads to off-road trails. The Honda Transalp XL750 features a robust yet lightweight chassis designed for stability and maneuverability. Its design emphasizes both aesthetics and functionality. At the heart of the Transalp XL750 is a 755cc parallel twin engine, which offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The Transalp XL750 is equipped with a capable suspension system designed to absorb shocks and provide stability on uneven terrain. The front features long travel forks, while the rear boasts a monoshock setup. Modern technology plays a significant role in the Honda Transalp XL750. The motorcycle comes equipped with a full-color TFT display that provides essential information. Safety is paramount, and the Transalp XL750 features an advanced braking system that includes dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc brake. The setup provides excellent stopping power and control. The bike is also equipped with ABS anti-lock braking system. One of the notable aspects of the Honda Transalp XL750 is its fuel efficiency. The motorcycle's engine is designed to deliver a respectable miles-per-gallon rating, making it a cost-effective choice for long-distance touring. The 16-liter fuel tank provides an ample range, allowing riders to travel long distances without. I hope this provided more information and unique, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.